This is my family. Mark is loving, caring too. Jake is crazy, woohoo! June is clever, bright and sweet. And these are buddies too.
Today, we are going to our usual play area. They added a new slide with AI.
Wow! I love this playground!
It looks the same, but it feels exciting.
New learning often feels like that.
Let's run to the slide!
I'll count to 3.
Hey! The slide is glowing!
Did it turn on by itself?
It noticed what you did.
Playgrounds can't think.
Yeah, they don't have brains.
Computers don't think either. They learn.
Learn how?
By watching what happens again and again.
Just like kids learn games. Let's race one more time. 1, 2, 3.
I'll go faster!
More tries help learning.
It lit up faster!
It remembered us.
Yes, that's called a pattern.
What's a pattern?
Something that happens many times.
Like racing to the slide. Let's climb instead.
Will it still glow?
Let's find out.
The lights look different now.
It's learning something new.
Yes, new actions give new data.
That was weird.
It didn't work right.
Mistakes are part of learning.
The playground is wrong.
Maybe it's still learning.
Just like you did with your bike.
What helps us learn after mistakes?
Trying again.
That's called feedback. Let's show it what we like.
We can teach it?
Yes, by playing.
Let's do the same thing again.
Okay, again.
Repeating helps learning. provides data.
What is data?
Data is little clues.
Clues from what we do.
It works now.
It learned.
Learning means getting better over time.
The playground doesn't know fun.
Then how does it help?
It learns from people.
So we teach it how to act?
Yes, and that matters.
Because it copies us.
Hey, it only likes my game.
That's not fair.
It learned from only one pattern.
That doesn't feel right.
That's called bias.
It happens with bad learning.
How do we fix it?
Give it more examples.
Yes, from everyone.
Let's all play.
Together!
Now it's fair. AI isn't really smart.
It uses what we give it.
Like a copycat. Can AI be kind?
If we teach kindness.
It learns from us.
AI is like a mirror.
It shows what we do.
And remembers it.
We taught the playground.
We trained it.
Yes, with actions. AI learns from patterns.
From data.
And from mistakes.
What we teach matters.
Because AI remembers.
Like our brains.
People are teaching machines.
So we should be careful.
And kind.
AI
learns from
us.
If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Your support helps us create more stories. Thanks for watching. See you next time.